Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look at it. You see, the effect is easy, but with changing a picture, you can create something more amazing. So let's start. The first difference between that picture and the ones that we created in the past is that you need to have a picture like this picture we have here. And then after having your picture, you need to cut the picture into half. Some of you may ask how. It's just simple. You create a rectangle and then select both of them and go to shape format and then combine them. You see, we create a cut of that, but we do this in the past. Because of that, we don't need to do it anyway. Now we copy the text. The text is just a simple one, but I don't like the way it looks. So let's create some changes. For example, I'm going to change the font to Overdrive Sunset. And also I'm going to format it. Go here, from here to text option and go to text outline. And you see the text outline is pretty amazing, but increase the weight to look like this. And remember, the size is very important. Because of that, let's make it like this. Okay, now copy that. Now copy this text, put it in this slide. Let me have it. You see, copy and select the text and send it to back. Now copy that and just simply here, bring it out, bring it out, bring it up, reduce its size. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice